Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this wooden Adirondack chair. I already had this for over 3 years now, and you can see how well this thing is holding up. I like how comfortable the chair is and that you're able to fold it when you're not using it. I am actually leave this outside all season, and you can just see how well this is holding up from all the different elements outside. It's a nice color. This is a gray color. This is how it looks from the side. And then here's the back of the chair. Now, this is a very comfortable chair. You could easily put this next to your fire pit if you want to get some sun, or even next to the pool. The material is weather resistant material that is not going to rot or rust. The screws are very tight and installation is very easy to do. So this is a very comfortable chair. You can see it supports my back. It's wide enough to put a cup here if you need to put a cup, and the legs are, this is the perfect angle to sit down and to catch sun and just to relax by the pool. Let me show you how it folds. So all you do is just bring this forward. And then you lift this up. And now you're able to store this neatly in a shed or somewhere that you need to keep it if you want to keep it protected. Then to open it, you slide it like this, and then you lift it. And this slides forward. And now you're back to the comfortable chair. Overall, this is a great chair to have for the summertime, by the pool, by the fire pit, even in the winter by the fire pits, and it's very comfortable and it holds up very well in the elements if you choose to leave it outside like I do.